Taking that hung up tree out of the white pine proved to be more difficult than what I would have liked. After trying to pull it out in both directions with the tractor, the winch on the tractor, I found myself needing to go to hand winch. And this is a video on the process it took to bring that tree down to that point. First I had to pull it away from that stump, so I hooked up the winch and pulled it to the right of the stump, looking down at the stump. As you can see, there's a lot of cranking going on, and I edited out a lot of it. No need to see it all, but just know it took much more than what you're seeing to get that thing down out of that tree.
Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead, this picture of us here, it's just like a rearview mirror right before the crash. Man, I hate this old love song, but I'm the fool who turns it on like it can change the past.
Plans were to pull it as far away from that stump as I could, hoping that it would come down out, but it didn't. And then now I'm rigging the winch, and I'm going to pull the tree uphill in order to try to bring it down out of that white pine that it's hung up in.
Living like this makes dying less scary. Digging up bones, better left buried. Kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Well, I said it's not the end, and I swore I'd get you back again, but now I can't believe that he and you said I do. I wasn't there watching you, but a chill came over me. Preacher man spoke that prayer, I swear I felt it in the air, and my soul started sinking deep. Since you went away, I got one foot in the grave. Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead. Living like this makes dying less scary. Digging up bones, better left buried. Kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. My head's full of memories that pine box won't shut. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. A nail in the coffin of what's left of us.
Now we're starting to pull the tree backwards uphill, and starting to move. I didn't know whether it would dig in too hard or not, but I was able to pull it uphill.
One foot in the grave, somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead. Living like this makes dying less scary. Digging up bones, better left buried. Kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Love's cemetery.
Pretty warm that day, so I had to get rid of some church. I think this is about a 2-ton winch, I believe. Or come along is what it is, not a winch.
Bones better left buried, kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Well, I said it's not the end, and I swore I'd get you back again, but now I can't believe that he and you said I do. I wasn't there watching you, but a chill came over me when that preacher man spoke that prayer. I swear I felt it in the air, and my soul started sinking deep. Since you went away, I got one foot in the grave somewhere.
Started to fall, so I was hopeful I was going to be able to pull it out.
Living like this makes dying less scary. Digging up bones better left buried, kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. My head's full of memories that pine box won't shut. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. A nail in the coffin.
Chain broke that was holding the winch to the tree. The link broke on it. But the tree was out.